This project was completed in just over a year. Sieber Architecture preferred to start as soon as possible. And here we see an earth mover moving the snow from a late spring snowfall. Once the earth has been cleared and the concrete foundations laid, the garage and storeroom walls are then erected. An effective insulation is attached to the walls to prevent water leakage and heat loss. The soil is then packed back against the wall. A very important duty of the architect is to oversee the work during the construction to make sure everything runs smoothly. Here we see Mr. Sieber addressing a technical problem with the construction manager. Unlike many of the chalets in this area, this house is constructed completely out of wood. Its frame has been lowered into position and the solid beams fitted neatly into place. A powerful nail gun is used to nail the pieces together. All the pieces of wood have been cut to fit in the local factory, and now it is just a matter of slotting them all together. This cuts down the time working on the construction site. A soft, spongy substance made from rock fibers is placed between the wooden beams to form adequate insulation. The floors in the chalet are made with concrete. Once the house takes shape, many different decisions have to be made. Here, Mr. Sieber is suggesting that 2 of the 4 walls in the sitting area should be covered with plaster and not wood. The separating walls inside the chalet are made with fireproof boards and are then plastered, tiled, or decorated with wallpaper. At the same time work is proceeding on the inside, the construction workers are finishing the outside. On the lower parts of the wall, as most of the modern chalets in this area, insulation is being cemented on and then covered with plaster. The rooms are beginning to take shape now, and the kitchen appliances have been put into place. The basin, shower, etc. have all been built in, and the bathroom is almost finished. From the outside, the house is nearly complete, and the tiles are being neatly laid on the roof. The valley wind can be quite forceful in the late summer afternoons, and Mr. Sieber has been called upon for his advice. Here we see he has suggested a very simple but highly effective windbreak that is also pleasing to the eye. The finishing touches take about another 3 to 6 months. This includes planting of flowers, grass, and the erecting of the fences, etc. Whatever you have in mind for your dream home, Sieber Architecture is sure to help you make it a reality.